technology is going to play much bigger role than a lot of us are even thinking right now. I mean, I've been working on it for last 5 years. We have been working on taking schools to hybrid model in different ways, and I always believe that the personalized education is the bridge between dreams and capabilities. So we cannot say that I am a 70% score person and I cannot achieve certain dreams, right? The only thing is that if I get what I need to get, I should not be bucketed, right? So if technology can be used to achieve some of those outcomes, I think that is where it will be a very meaningful outcome of this whole COVID situation. So obviously there are so many negatives with this COVID situation, but I still think there are so many positives also. Yeah. So basically, what you are saying is, and what all of us are seeing is that there are problems in terms of conducting classes. There are problem in terms of conducting assessment, as Sunita ma'am rightly pointed out. And I always believe that assessment doesn't have to be a standard template. Like if you look at it, the template that we are using today and the template which was being used in 2010, you can just compare. It's almost the same. I mean, have we really moved forward? But this whole thing can actually give you a thinking window, right? You can think what I can make differently, right? Obviously, okay, class 10th is a board exam, fine, board will decide a certain pattern, etc. But can I experiment little bit in junior classes? Can I experiment little bit in 11th also? I mean, I'm just trying to say, because 11th you're almost an adult, right? You are thinking about your dreams, okay, profession, etc., etc. Can there something be done very differently? So in school curriculum, in school time frame, it is not possible, right? There are so many constraints. But here you are suddenly free of those constraints. Can just play around and have more flexibilities, and think of those things which are unthinkable in a typical offline